Everyone, today we're making baked potato or potato veggies or whatever, anything you want to make with potato and you want to bake them. There is no law in cooking. You can choose your way, your spices, whatever accordingly your taste. Yeah. So I'm boiling the potato so there won't be any starch and you can enjoy healthy food. So I'm boiling these potato 80%. Once they are boiled 80%, I'm gonna bake them adding some spices, whatever you like. So when I'm boiling, I'm using any spices, Don't go find these spices. Use whatever you like. So boil the potato 80%. After that, once they boil, you bake the potatoes. Add some little bit of oil, any kind of oil you can use, and bake them, and then you can enjoy. Thank you. I'm going to bake the potato, which are already boiled 80%. You can add oregano if you have. If you don't have, do not worry. Just add some spices according to your taste. We like spicy food, so that's why I'm adding spices. Again, any spice you have, you just add and bake them for 15 to 20 minutes. See, it's ready. So delicious, so yummy, just like a wow. Hello everyone, I'm making chicken tikka. For chicken tikka, I just cut the chicken and only I gonna use these spices. These spices I make homemade. You add garlic powder, salt, paprika, red chili powder, black peppers, cumin seeds powder, coriander powder, or any tandoori masala if you can find, otherwise leave it, and add little bit food color for the color. If you don't like food color, do not add. I just have to add 1 spoon of butter. I am using 1 spoon of butter. If you do not like, do not use. Without oil or without butter, you can also use. I add chicken. For your time saving, do not care about anything. Just add maybe 2 spoons of yogurt and then 1 spoon you can add those spices. See, I never mind yet. So do not need any law in cooking. Just use your style, whatever you like. Let it cook. Once it's cooked, it's ready. Enjoy. So chicken tikka is ready. It's really delicious, soft and tender, and it's done very quickly. Please subscribe my channel for motivation if you like to. Thank you. Oh, I'm making these rice. You can eat with your salad or with your chicken or whatever dish you want to eat rice with. So it's really easy recipe. Just use water and butter. Add some butter and add some rice in it. I never measure anything. I just throw inside. See, just that's all. Let it cook, and in 5 minutes it's ready. Oh, I'm making these rice. You can eat with your salad or with your chicken or whatever dish you want to eat rice.